Let's verify the formula for sum of odd numbers, that is sigma 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. That is, we are going to verify this formula. Now, as you know, the odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So, if you want to add these numbers, how can you do it? Now, let us see this figure. See the bottom square on the right side. That is, one square is colored in red. That is, n is equal to, when n is equal to 1, then we have 1 square is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, that is, here you can see the second part, 3 squares are colored in green. That is, when you add 1 plus 3, you will have it as 4. That is 2 square. When you have n is equal to 3, that is, first 3 odd numbers you have to add. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5. When you add 1 plus 3 plus 5, you will see this is a square with dimensions 3 into 3. So, that is n square is 9, which is equal to same as 3 square. Here you can see 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, that is 3 square. Now, when n is equal to 4, that is sum of first 4 odd numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So, here you will have, in the figure also you can observe that it is a square with dimensions 4 by 4. That is, 4 fours are 16. Here also, when you add up 7 plus 5 12 plus 4 16, which is 4 square. And when you generalize the things, you will have sigma 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. As you know, when you write n, it can be odd or even. But when you write 2n, it's always an even number, right? So, even and odd number goes in sequence only. So, 2n minus 1 will be an odd number, and the formula for sigma 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Thank you.